This module will cover the exterior components, including the roof and sidewalls, chassis frame, running gear, slide rooms, and leveling jacks. Starting with an important item that is often neglected, the roof. Roof maintenance is imperative to protect the value of your RV, and its number one enemy is water intrusion. Once water gets under the roof material, the repair can be very costly. If you are comfortable accessing your own RV roof, there are several inspections and maintenance tips you can perform while you're up there. If you are not comfortable with this task, simply hire an RV technician to perform service work and maintenance as needed. Just make sure that someone lays eyes on it a couple of times each year, if not more frequently. First, you need to determine whether or not your RV roof is walkable. If there is a ladder on the RV, that is a good indication. Smaller teardrop travel trailers and aluminum trailers like the Airstream definitely are not. Check with your owner's manual or the manufacturer. Always confirm the integrity and security of your ladder before accessing the roof. It's also a good idea to have another person present when someone is going up there. Once on top of the RV roof, there are several things that owners can inspect and monitor. First, take a look at the appliances and components like the air conditioner, vent covers, skylights, the plumbing vents, the refrigerator vent, antennas, and the satellite dish. Ensure that none of them have sustained any damage from weather or low-hanging tree branches. The roof material itself is commonly rubber or fiberglass and should be smooth and free from tears or any kind of damage that would allow water to penetrate to the decking of the roof. Check for soft spots indicating a leak has occurred. Take a look at all the sealant around the outer edge of the RV where the roof material connects to the sidewalls, and also inspect the sealant around any openings that were cut into the roof membrane for things like the vents, fans, or antennas. You are inspecting sealant for any cracks or gaps caused by the sun and weather conditions that would allow water in. The type of sealant used for touch-ups or replacements is important, and RV owners need to check their manual to determine which one is acceptable for their type of roof material. Keep the roof clean and give it a good wash at least once or twice a year.